Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening Google Photos and signing into the account that stores the pictures you want. Make sure you locate the exact photos or album. Use search terms, dates, or face groups to narrow results. Once done, select one or multiple images using the checkboxes or long press so you can act on them in bulk. This first step is crucial because all export and download options operate on your selected items. Make sure selections are accurate before proceeding. Next, you choose how to extract normal photo files. For single images, click the three-dot More menu and tap Download to get the original JPG/PNG. For many images or complete albums, use Google Takeout. Select Google Photos, pick Albums or All Photos, choose Export Format and Size, then create the archive. Once Takeout finishes, download the zip and extract it on your device. This ensures you have standalone files stored locally, not just cloud links or app-managed items. Finally, you extract and verify the files. Open the folder, confirm file extensions, and view a few to ensure quality. If images are hike or a non-standard format, convert to JPG with built-in converters or free apps so they behave like normal photos across devices. Make sure to preserve metadata if you need timestamps or location. Troubleshooting tip: if downloads fail, confirm you're on the right account, check Google storage limits, clear cache, or rerun Takeout.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.